How are you today, everyone? Again, my name is Gorgeous Jen. Good day sa lahat ng nanonood. Susubukan natin ngayon yung trending sa TikTok, which is yung Mochi Bun. I got this from Singaporean Bake Shop. And this is from Moyo Philippines. Hello, Moyo Philippines. Meron akong binili dito. Kasi nakikita-trending tayo, di ba? Sinubukan ko kasi bakit siya trending, kung anong lasa niya talaga. Fairy Wand bread for this. Oh, it's still closed. There is a Fairy Wand bread. I'll show you everything. So, this one is mango flavor, strawberry flavor. This is very bunch. This is green grapes, and this is Oreo. Yeah, mango, strawberry, and yeah, green grapes and Oreo or chocolate flavor. This is actually a pearl bread bun. This is Singaporean, but it's so big, right? This is sugar-free strawberry bunch. It's so big. Look at this. Wow, it's so big. Big one, right? And there's another one. This is Tortilla. And this is like for kids. A chocolate pearl bread. Yes, it's so soft. Yes. So I'm going to eat this now. And we're going to eat this. Okay. Miss Mira and our family here. So let's try. Okay. I'm gonna try this one, okay? Or we're gonna try first this one. Big, right? So ito, meron din silang pearl bread bun. So ang laki, super laki ng nila, tinapay. Tapos ang lambot pa. Ang lambot ha. Oh, ito, lambot. This is chocolate one. This is strawberry pearl bread bun. This one. And itong binili ko is fairy one bread. Mga ito, ang dami, di ba? So ngayon, ang susubukan naman natin is ito. Let's try. This is like, what we call that? I-scroll lang naman sana ako, kasalanan tuloy yung TikTok, napabili ako, napagastos tuloy ako. Let's see yung green grapes nila. Malambot, mochi nga eh. Mochi, di ba? Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-hype to. Meron siyang tinapay na malambot, tapos meron siyang cream, tapos meron siyang toppings na green grapes. Hindi siya matamis. Siguro ito yung sugar free. Hindi ka mahilig sa tinapay, hindi mo ito ma-appreciate. Pero kung mahilig ka sa tinapay, ang piliin mo yung mga matatamis, yung order mo. Kasi yung mga in-order ko ay sugar free. Sarap siya, malambot. Para sa mga walang ngipin, mga batang tanda. Okay siya. Hindi siya matamis. Malambot. Bago lang to. Ang nagpipinto yung may-ari na si Ken. Tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong. Mawag sila. So, this, we're going to try this. Oh, so soft. Let's see. Yummy. Super bun. From Singaporean bread. Moyo Philippines. Hello. So like that. This is. I think there is a cream inside and strawberry on the top. Yummy. Then I finish this one. Others, I can finish this. So yummy. Moyo Philippines. Singaporean Bake Shop. Kaka-review ko, ang dami ko na nakain. Let's see. Ba? Ang ko na nakain. Pero sa mga taong hindi mahilig sa tinapay, hindi pa nakakatingin ng mochi, huwag na kayo bumili. Sa mga taong mahilig sa tinapay sa mochi, ito bilhin nyo. Masarap. Mga to, bawal sa mga, pwede ito sa mga diabetic. Hindi siya matamis. Kasi nilagay niya lang, parang cream cheese. Ito, laki, isang plato talaga siya. Yung pearl bread bun nila. Saan ba buksan? Laki, isang mukha ko na. Look at this one, it's so big. It's like it's a whole, this is not the whole face. This one. Tingnan natin laman. Wow, my feelings! Look at this one. There's a feel inside. You can feel there is a feelings. Let's try. Sorry ko, sarap. Tinapay siya. Tinapay lang. But may feelings. Let's try this. May feelings siya na tinapay. Kung mahilig ka sa tinapay na may feelings. Ito, pwede to sa'yo. Ito, let's try this. Let's try this chocolate. Wow. Lalabas oh. Chocolate. Feelings nila. Let's see. So, parang siyang French na ano, tinapay. Let's see. Ito, masarap to. Itong chocolate. Mahilig ka sa matamis, puro ka chocolate ang orderin mo kasi itong iba, sakto lang yung tamis. Pati ito, sugar free. Healthy siya sa iba. Para makakain. Dami ko na nakain. Hello, thank you. Kung order, pwede sila sa online. Available sila sa online. Kasi nanood lang naman ako ng TikTok. Tapos pag-scroll ko, na-curious ako bigla. In-order ko to. Okay naman sila. Very communicate talaga. At saka napaka-organize ng order nila sa online. You can try this and they have also a branch in Pasig in Estancia. Tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong. Meron silang branch in Pasig. Meron silang, you can try. You can check it online. Once you visit in their page, you can actually click in Instagram. Kasi in-order ko to. Click ko lang yung Instagram eh. Tapos, pwede na siya umorder. Yun lang. You can try this guys. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.